Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
If you eat garlic and honey on an empty stomach for 7 days, this is what happens to your body. One of the most widely used ingredients in almost every cuisine around the globe is garlic. It's so popular because it has an excellent taste, gives flavor to every dish, and on top of it all it's health beneficial. Eating raw garlic can help you with a lot of medical conditions, and even doctors recommend it. It can help you lower high blood pressure and cholesterol, prevent coronary heart disease and heart attack. It's also very beneficial in reducing the effects of atherosclerosis. Just one garlic clove can help you with everyday health problems, like hay fever, traveler's diarrhea, cold, flu, bug bites, and fungal infections. Garlic can also help you manage the symptoms of osteoarthritis, diabetes, and an enlarged prostate. It's an excellent immune system booster and can give you a full-body detox. Moreover, if you mix it with onion and ginger, it can alleviate chemo side effects. How to use garlic? Garlic is best consumed raw, because its active ingredient, avicin, loses its properties if it's processed thermally. Crush and slice the cloves, and leave it aside for 15 minutes before you eat it. When you crush the cloves, it activates a reaction that increases the allicin's bioavailability. It's also best if you eat the garlic on an empty stomach, because it's easier for your body to absorb the nutrients when your stomach is not full. Raw garlic and honey. Mince 2-3 garlic cloves and mix them with 1 tablespoon of honey. Consume this mixture every day, and you'll notice how energized you'll feel, and how much healthier you'll be. Garlic flu tonic. If your skin is sensitive, maybe it's best to wear gloves when you prepare this tonic. Also, make sure you don't touch your eyes, because they can easily get irritated from the garlic's natural oils. Ingredients: half yellow onion, chopped, 5 garlic cloves, chopped, 2 red chili peppers, chopped, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, squeezed juice of 1 lemon, organic ACV. How to prepare it? You'll need 1 medium-sized mason jar, 350 milliliters to 500 milliliters. Add the chopped onion first and then the garlic. Then add the chili peppers with the seeds and put the ginger on top. Add the squeezed lemon juice and lastly pour in the ACV. Make sure you have at least 1 centimeter of empty space on top. Close the lid tightly and store the remedy in a cold and dark place. You can start consuming the tonic the next day. It's excellent against the flu, colds and sore throat.
Wow.